4 times in the last 5 weeks. So thanks to everyone who's come to those shows, and thanks for Chris for putting up with us. Yeah, we're sure we play here. We're playing here again in 2 weeks. So if you've been here for the last 5 weeks when we've played here, we've played this song. But if you haven't seen us in the last month, then you haven't heard this song. Black Eye is your face. That awful sound.